execution will begin from the main method. Main method is a static method. Main method will be called by JVM. That's why our program, our logic is what is starts with and what is ends with all available. There is one first, it is going to replace the first occurrence. Replace the first occurrence. Alright. There will be one method called intent method is available. Hash code index of intent. Come on. What is the intent? Returns a canonical representation for the string object. So returns a canonical representation of the string object. Pool of strings internally empty, maintained privately by the class string. Right. When the intent method is invoked, if the pool already contains a string equal to this string object as determined by method, then string from the pool is returned. Otherwise, string object is added to pool and a reference to the string object is returned. Yeah. Can you understand what they are trying to say? Read it. Any object which is created in the SCP, if you want to access the object from the SCP, you need to go for intent. If that object is not available, it will create the object and it is going to give that object for you. See here. When the intent method is invoked, if the pool already contains a string equal to the string object as determined by the equals object method, then string from the pool is returned. Whenever you call intent method with a string object, with the same object content if already available, it will return that same object. If it is not available, it is going to create that and it is going to return that. For example, I am going to write like this. String S1 is equal to hi. Okay. Now I am going to do string S2 is equal to S1 dot intent. Now I am going to write S1 double equals to S2. Kaise? हाँ? ऑनलाइन पीपल को चेक करेंगे वो लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं. ट्रू और फॉल्स ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स. ट्रू. व्हाई ट्रू? व्हाई ट्रू? व्हाई ट्रू guys? Can we check it? Yeah. चलो. I'm going for string S1 is equal to hi. String S2 is equal to S1 dot intent. Now I am going to write system dot out dot println S1 double equals to S2. S1 double equals to S2. Let me comment all these things now. Okay. Everything is commented. Only this code is available now. Only this code is available. String S1 is equal to hi, S2 is equal to S1 dot intent, system dot out dot println S1 double equals to S2. Alright. Java C space string demo dot Java, then Java space string demo. True. Why true? Whenever you call intent method with S1, what is the content of S1? Hi. With the hi, first here, when I go for S1 is equal to hi, what will happen? Object will be created in the SCP memory, string constant pool memory. When I call S1 dot intent, it will return I object reference. It will return I object. I will be stored into S2 also. So the same object is there, different object is available, same object is available. When I compare the address S1 double equal to S2, both are belongs to same object. S1 and S2 pointing to same object. That's why it is going to return true. It is going to return true. For example, now I am going to create string S2, string S3 is equal to new string of hello. New string of hello. Now I am going to create string S4 is equal to S3 dot intent. S3 dot intent. Now system dot out dot println S3 double equals to S4. True or false? Are you sure? Can we check it? Java says string demo dot Java. Java says string demo. True, false. Why false? Here S3 is a variable pointing to what? S3 is pointing to what? Heap memory. S4 is pointing to what? S3 dot intent. Content may be same, but S3, S4 two different objects. S3 object, S4 objects created in the heap memory. Addresses are different, addresses are same, addresses are different. That's why we are getting false value. So what is the purpose of intent method? What is the purpose of intent method? Come on, bhaiya. What is the purpose of intent? Intent is used to get the object from the SCP. Intent is used to invoke the SCP object. SCP object we are going to access by using intent. Let me write this point. So here we are having intent method. What is the purpose of intent method? Intent is a static method. Intent is a non-static method. Intent is a static method or non-static method. In the API, you can understand. In the API, you can understand method is a static method or non-static method by looking at the method name. If the method is a static, they will give the static keyword. If a method is a non-static, they will not give that keyword. Static methods will have static keyword. Static methods should be called by using class name. Static methods should be called by using class name. Non-static methods will be called by using object name. Intent method. It is used to access the object from SCP. It is used to access the object from SCP. Are you clear? Same, right? Because it is pointing to the same object, right? Content is also same. Content wise same. Here I am creating with the literals, na? So the address is also same. In future, static means memory will be allocated at the time of class loading. Instance means memory will be allocated at the time of object creation. Oops concept. Yeah, in front there is a crocodile festival. Next week onwards, festival will start. What is that festival? Oops festival will start. Half of the people faces will go blank. Kya chal raha bhai? If you are not strong in the basics, definitely you cannot understand the oops. You need to do lot of practice. Fundamentals are very important. Perfect. So with this we understood some methods available in the string class. There are so many methods available. Some of the methods we have seen. What is the purpose of them? Now, can we go for string buffer now? Yeah, before going to string buffer, I want to tell you one more method which is very important. What is that? ToString. What is the purpose of ToString? it is used to print. It is used to print object in string format. It is used to print object in the string format. To convert the object into string format, it is used to print. It is used to print or it is used to convert. It is used to convert object into string format. Any object we can convert into string format by using toString method. In future, we are going to work with this toString methods. It is used to convert the object into string format, toString. Next, let's start with string buff. Guys, we have not understood the string completely. If you see here, string class is a final class. What is that final? String class is extending from object. String class is implementing serializable, comparable, char sequence. There are so many things are there which are block box for us, which are we are not able to understand string class completely. We understood just 40 to 50% of the string. So to understand remaining concepts of the string, we need to know future topics. Like here, final keyword is available, extend keyword is available. Extend means inheritance, that is a OOPS concept. Implements available, that means interface concept is available. OOPS concepts, if you understand, then only you can understand the string class completely. So we are just trying to get some knowledge of the string, not complete knowledge on the string. Right. Now you realize how much important the OOPS concepts are. Without having the knowledge on the OOPS, kuch nahi kar sakte in the Java. Now we are having one more method called toChar array. There is a one more method called toChar array. There is a method. toChar array method is available in the string class. Can we check that method? Yep. Come down, scroll it. toChar array. toChar array. Go to what is this? Converts this string into a new character array. What is the return type? So if I convert the string into array, I'm going to get the char array. Is it a static method or non-static method? Non-static method. How to call this non-static method? By using object. Perfect. Chalo, let's make a program on this. Yes, string s1 is equal to some Java. String s1 is equal to Java. s1 dot toChar array. Right, what is the output? When I call that method, what is the output I am getting? Char, character array. What I am getting? Character array. Okay. With this, let me try to print the array. Do you know how to print the array now? For loop is available, for each loop is available, and arrays.toString is also available. Let me go for system.out.println arrays.toString of array. Arrays.toString of array. Okay. Let me compile Java C string demo.java. Java space string demo. Is it converted to array? Yes. Can I convert the string to array? Can I convert the string to array? How to convert the string to array? By using toChar array. By using toChar array. Perfect. Yes. So, next, let me get into the description part. toChar array. This method is used to convert the string to character array. Sir, why to convert? Why to convert the string to character array? फ्यूचर में पता चलेगा. Yeah, this method is used to convert string to char array. Okay, yes. Syntax कब आएगा फ्यूचर? After core Java. In the advanced Java, you will get to know all these things. Okay? Yeah. Shall we get started with string buffer now? Shall we get started with the string buffer? Yes. What is the string buffer? What is the purpose of string buffer? It is a predefined class. It is a predefined class available in java.lang package. It is a predefined class available in java.lang package. It is used to store group of characters. Sir, already string is available now. Then why to go for string buffer? String buffer is mutable. That means you can alter, you can modify the content. String buffer is a predefined class available in java.lang package. It is used to store group of characters. So string buffer is mutable. String buffer is mutable object. What is the meaning of that? Can modify the content. We can modify the content. We can modify the content. We can modify the content. And one more benefit is there. What is that? String buffer is thread safe. What is the meaning of thread safe? Only one thread can access at a time. Only one thread can access at a time. String buffer is a mutable object. We can modify the content. And the next one, string buffer is thread safe. That means only one thread can access at a time. Sir, what is a thread? वो मल्टी थ्रेडिंग पे पता चलता. Right. Future. What is a thread? Thread means we are going to learn in the multi-threading concept. All right. String buffer. That means so many concepts are interlinked with the other concepts. So core Java is a never-ending process. Understand? Nobody knows everything in the core Java. Core Java is a never-ending process. After you got 5 years experience also, still there are new things in the core Java which we have to learn. Okay? Continuously, if I teach for next 1 year also, core Java will not be completed because it is a language. Okay? In that language, we are using some topics which are required for our project development. Am I going to teach you complete core Java? I also don't know. Understand my point? I also don't know everything available in the core Java. Simple. If you go to Java packages, here java.applet, java.awt. In my 9 years of experience, I never worked with those packages which are used to develop desktop applications. Nowadays in the market, Java is not using for desktop. Java is using for web. When I am working with web, why I will use applet? I don't use it. So I don't know that. Understand my point? And when it comes to here, there are some packages are available. Java x.jws, Java x.jws.soap. Santur mummy, Santur daddy. Do you know that? Detal. What is that soap? Soap is a web service. Soap is a web service. But currently, that soap is outdated. RESTful services are famous in the market. So we are not going to work with that package. Come down. There are some strings are available. We don't need them. We are not developing that. Okay. Next, core bar outdated. Corba, it is outdated. Okay, so there are so many things are there in the Java which we are not going to use in the present trend. Okay, so core Java is a never-ending process. Even if you learn for 1 year also, still some topics will be left in the core Java. In the Amirpet or anywhere, nobody will teach you complete core Java. Only some topics you are going to learn from the core Java which are required to develop the project. That's it. I think I can't count them. We are working with multiple packages. So if I consider beans, we are using, I think we will be using 10 to 20 packages from there. Java.io, Java.util, Java.lang, Java.streams are there, concurrent packages are available, and Neo packages are available, security packages are available. Sorry? Those are different. Those are not from the core Java. They are different frame. They are framework level packages. Okay. Here Java.SQL package is available. Java.SQL. Yes. JavaX.SQL is available. That is used in the JDBC. We are going to learn that in the advanced Java. Okay. Swings तो कोई use नहीं कर रहा है. Applet, AWT swings, they are completely outdated. RMI also we are not going to use. There are so many packages which we are not going to use in the current development because advanced concepts came into the market. When they developed these packages? 1991. Now 2022. 20 साल का gap है. 20 years. Delete let this API, I am referring Java 8 na. If you go for Java latest API, some of the packages may not be available. Right. Yes. So string buffer is a predefined class available in java.lang package. It is used to store group of characters. String buffer is a mutable object. We can modify the content. String buffer is thread safe. Only one thread can access at a time. How to create the string buffer object? String buffer SB is equal to new string buffer. I can create it as hello. I can create it as hello. Okay. Let me create one program on the string buffer. Yes, we'll come to that. If you think here, what is this? What is this? String. String literal, na? Yes, where it will store? SCP. SCP. Got it? This is a string literal. It will be stored in the SCP. This is a string buffer SB. Where it will store? Heap memory. It will store in the heap memory. Wherever you see string literal, that means it is going to store in the SCP. Alright. I'm creating a class SB demo. What is SB demo? String buffer demo. Okay. Let's write a main method that is public static void main. Guys, from next week I will use IDE. Why? Public static void main. If I directly use IDE, na, you will not understand these basics. Yeah. Public static void main string arg. I'm feeling very difficulty to write the code in the notepad. Public static void main string arguments. Okay. Let me go for string buffer SB is equal to new string buffer of hello. New string buffer of hello. Let me go for system.out.println of SB. Okay. I'm printing SB. SB demo. SB demo.java. Perfect. Let's compile this project. Java C string demo.java. Java space string demo. यार आज मेरा दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा यार. Because today morning I came out from home at 9 o'clock. I was roaming on the roads. So दिमाग खराब हो गया. Java C SB demo dot Java, Java space SB demo. Are we able to get the output? Yes, we are getting the output as hello, right? So string buffer SB is equal to new string buffer of hello. System.out.println of SB. We are able to get the output. Now, what is this SB? SB is a variable. Now, let us see here. SB dot append. Append. I am giving some hi. What I am trying to do? What I am trying to do? What I am trying to do? I am trying to modify the content. Can I modify or I cannot modify? Can I modify or I cannot modify? Yes or no? Stand up. Can I modify or I cannot modify? Keep silent. No. Why? Your body is present, mind is absent. क्या सोच रहे? Girlfriend reply नहीं दे रहा क्या? What are you thinking? Your body present, mind absent. क्या सोच रहा भाई? दिमाग किधर लगा के सुनो. It's very important, right? So here SB. What is SB? SB is a variable which is holding string buffer object. SB is a variable which is referring to string buffer. String buffer objects are mutable or immutable. Immutable. Mutable. That means the content can be modified. Yeah, what is